True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today guys, I'm right in the St. Elizabeth area, right in front of the Mountainside Primary School. Yeah man, see what I go on. Want touch tear down in the road. You see that fence here? Your ears, me know them fence right here, so. Yeah man, see it? A lot of damage going on the place here. So I go on to the Mountainside Primary School. Take a tour over the Mountainside Primary School. I think this is supposed to be one of the shelter in case of hurricane or storm. So you see it? The school is damaged. Also, I see where one section is damaged. Light pole, tear down and all them stuff here. So a lot of people facing it in the beautiful island of Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so thanks for watching the channel, and big up any West part of the day I watch, so thanks a lot. The tour guide Fire Reid are taking around now St. Elizabeth, giving an update on the beautiful parish, the bread basket. A lot of people don't know the bread basket. A lot of work for do right here and that fence right here, so. But give God thanks. No life lost in that area so far. So we have to give God thanks for that. Wow. Big up yourself, bossy. People them clean out the streets, so I go on. A lot of people, man, a lot of people are facing right now, a lot of people. So we are close to the Success area. So I'm very close to the Watchwell area, Rich Pen them place there. So my location is in Success. Remember to subscribe to the channel and share and like the video if you learned something about our beautiful island Jamaica. No matter what go on, JPS, fireman, police, soldier. Yo, we have a lot of work to do, man. Trust me. We just have to come out and get back the place back together. Man, tell us it's not a good look. Light poles are leaning sideways. Just the other day, I talk about that place. I said that place I want bush down, you know. Just the other day, man. The place that they look away. Tell you. Oh, yeah, so get a big beat, man. Look here. Look at my paper. Look and see what I go on at the place, man. Look see what I go on. Oh, my Lord. Damn. every light post lane sideway out there, so how me see it. Every utility pole sideways. Wow. You reach me? Yeah. People means that every light pole this side. Alright, Mars. Yo man, see they leave them stuck underneath the car and stuff, you know? Oh, go on! You rough. Yeah, man. Alright, my boy. Just a pass through, you know? Ah, cool. Tell me people the place in a shambles. So thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.